manufacturer of OEM Sensing Devices with 95% ARR. We are excited to bring to the market an OEM sensor manufacturer located in 2 states with over $2 million in adjusted EBITDA. This OEM sensor manufacturer was established in early 90s in Pennsylvania, US. It is renowned for its cutting-edge custom sensors that seamlessly integrate into a wide range of industrial equipment, guaranteeing consistent and reliable performance. For over 3 decades, the company has been at the forefront of sensor manufacturing, boasting a rich history of innovation and excellence. The company stands at the forefront of the industry, creating custom sensors with reliable performance throughout the 5 to 10-year life cycle of the equipment. With a strong foothold in the industry, their innovative solutions have consistently met customer demands. The company generates 95% of its revenue from recurring customers. The company boasts an extraordinary customer base featuring Fortune 500 companies and clients in People's Republic of China, including the nation's largest heater manufacturer. Its utility-grade gas meter sensor earned a North American Product of the Year award. The company has garnered an outstanding reputation and consistently maintains a high level of customer satisfaction spanning several years. Data-driven, the company's sensors find application in diverse sectors from food service equipment and scientific instruments to IoT hardware and green energy solutions. Their transformative achievement resonates across the industry, reflecting their commitment to innovation and operational excellence. For more information on this fantastic opportunity, please contact us. Thank you.